morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elka online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 9. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes. First of all, we will move to the phonics section. Word families. We have learned many three-letter words, right? Can someone give me some examples, my dear children? Yes. Bag, cab, wig, etc. Right? Yes. The concept of word families as two or more words that have the same middle and end sounds. Do you know that? Once again, word families as two or more words that have the same middle and end sounds. Right? For the example, wig, fig, fit, sit, etc. Right? Dear children, you need to say some examples for this related same middle and end sounds. Yeah, very good, my dear children. Fog, log, hip, lip, right? Yes. So from this, just you have to identify the same middle and end sound. Okay, just you have to think and say the middle and end sound same, right? Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Now I will show some examples for that. See this, my dear children. Big, wig. This is a egg word family. Middle and end sound same from these two words, right? Next, og word family. Dog, fog, right? Next, it word family. Fit, sit. Middle and end sound same. Some words, right? Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Shall we do one worksheet activity from this related word families? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 13. Question number 1. Page number 64. I will give 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Yeah, my dear children, which worksheet I told you take that? Worksheet number 13. Which question number I said? Yes, question number 1. What is the page number of this worksheet? Yeah, page number 64, right? See this. Circle the picture from the same word families as the first one in the box, right? Yes, see that? First of all, we will see the first picture. Pick, 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 hit, hit, wig, dog. What they have given? First box la enna kuduthirukangalo. Just we have to identify the same word family from this three. First one, what is that? Pig. So which word belongs to the same word family as this one? Pick. Which word has the same word family from this? Can you guess the answer? Yes, great. Wig. What is that? Wig. So, we will circle the picture wig, right? Yes. So, do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Now, shall we do another? You have to say that. Fog, fog, cob, cob, log, tin. So, which word has the same beginning sound? Fog related. Same word family. Which word? Very good, my dear children. Log. Log. Right? Fog. Log. So, you have to circle the word. Very good. Next, what is this picture? Mop, mop. Pin, pin. Cob, cob. Hit, hit. So, which word belongs to the same word family as the first word mob? Yes, cob. So, we have to circle this picture with word. Next, pin, pin. Fig, bin, bin. Mop, mop. So, my dear children, which word belongs to the same word family as the first word pin? Which word, my dear children? Marvelous. Bin. So we have to circle this picture. Next, hit. Hit. Cough. Sit. Sit. Dig. So you have to say the answer. Which word has the same word family? Excellent. Sit. So we have to circle this picture. See this, my dear children. So you have to complete this worksheet in your home. See this, my dear children. Listen to the word. What is this? Odd. Odd. Odd means different. Different means they are having some pictures. Anga 4 pictures irundhuchunga. 3 pictures have a same word family, only one different. Okay, so that is a odd one. That is a odd one, right? They are having 4 pictures. 3 pictures have a same word family, only one is different. That means odd one. That means odd one. Do you understand? Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet from this related? Yes. Now we will identify the odd word, and that is the word not belong to the word family, right? So now you will look at the next question, worksheet number 13, question number 2, page number 64 as it is, right? Yes. See that? Cross out the odd word. So odd word means what? Different. Here having 4 pictures, right? So which has a odd one? We have to cross out that. Okay, we will identify the odd word. Okay, and that is word not belong to the word family, right? From the 3 words given. You have to see that. Before do this activity, I will show one CRL. Okay. See this, cross out the odd word. First we will read this. Tin, pin, mob, fin. Right? Here having 4 pictures. Same 3 words have a same word family. Only one different. So we have to cross out that one. Okay. From this, which one has an odd word? Yes, mob is the odd word. Another 3 words, same word family, right? Yes. So we have to cross out the odd word. Are you clear, my dear children? Yes. Let us see the worksheet. See this: tin, pin, mob and fin, right? So from these 4 words, tin, pin and fin have a same middle and end sound. Middle sound E, end sound N. So this word only different. So we have to cross out the word mob. Okay, we will cross out the word mob. This word is the odd word, right? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next we will move to the next one. What is this? Dog, dog, fog, log, sob, sob, right? See that which word has a different one? Which word is the odd one? Yeah, great. Dog, fog, log has a same middle and end sound from this. But 4th one, sob is a different sound, different word family. So we have to cross out this. Next, pit, sit, big, hit. Right? So which word has a hard word? Yes, from this three, pit, sit and hit has the same word families. Pig has a different one. So we have to cross out this picture. Next, wig, rob, fig, pig. So can you say the answer? Which one is a hard word? Great, my dear children. Rob is a hard one because wig, fig and dig has a same word family. Rob is a hard one. So you have to cross out this. Great, my dear children. So from this worksheet you will complete in your home. Write neatly, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next I will move to the whole word section. From this today's class I will introduce you new whole words. Listen to the flashcards, okay? Don't make noise. Louse, louse, louse. Repeat along with me. Louse, louse. Saw, saw, saw. Repeat along with me. Saw. Heard, heard, heard. Repeat along with me, my dear children. Heard. Ears, ears, ears. Repeat along with me. Ears. Gave, gave, gave. Repeat along with me. Gave, gave. Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will show the CRL from this related whole word sentences. Okay? Listen carefully. Loves, loves, loves. She loves all animals. She loves all animals. Saw, saw. She saw a big tree. She saw a big tree. Heard, heard, heard. Leela heard some noise. Leela heard some noise. Ears, ears, ears. She is 7 years old. She is 7 years old. She is 7 years old. Gave, gave, gave. Leela gave food to the bird. Leela gave food to the bird. Now, my dear children, you will take your SR book, SR 19, page number 62. I will give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. What word today learned? Whole words. You also keep your pencil like this. Use the arrow left to right. Louse, louse, saw, saw, heard, heard, ears, ears, gave, gave. So from your home you will read this whole words independently, okay? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us move to the next reading and listening comprehension section. From this section, shall we do one worksheet activity? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet number 14, question number 1, page number 65. I will give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. See this, my dear children, this page number I said that, right? Which worksheet I said, my dear children? Worksheet number 14. Which question number I said? You have to take that. Question number 1. What is the page number of this worksheet page? Page number 65. Right? So see this, my dear children. You can see some pictures, right, from your SR story. So by looking at the picture, we have to think and sequence the events by numbering them as 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? Yes. See that? Number the pictures in the correct sequence. See, okay? We have to put the numbers 1, 2, 3. Puppy கூட விளையாடுறாங்க. Puppy தனியா இருக்கு. குளிச்சு விட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. Here puppy தனியா இருக்கு, right? So now I show the answers now. You'll see that. See this, my dear children. First, puppy தனியா இருக்கு. This is the number 1. Next, puppy இந்த குட்டி பாப்பா பார்க்கறாங்க. Next, puppy குளிச்சு விடுறாங்க, right? This is number 3. Then puppy தனியா போய் விளையாடுது. This is number 4. So, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So, my dear children, let us check your answers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Yes. So, this one you have to complete in your home, my dear children. After that, now shall we recap the vocabulary words from SR 14, Home of Animals page. We will open your SR book, page number 57, SR 14. I'll give 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you are all opened that. So from this you have to find the vocabulary words. I saw the CRL. Okay. Which one I will read that? Just you have to find out the word from your SR book. Home. Home. Home means veedu. Home. Home. Trees. 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 Trees means marangal. Cave. Cave. Cave means guhai. Forest. Forest. You also read along with me and then find out this vocabulary word. Forest. 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 Forest means kaadu. Forest. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now you will open that SR 11 Home of Animals story page. Today all of you will read the story on your own without any help. Okay? I'll give 5 seconds time. Okay? I also read. You also read along with me. From your home you will read. Okay? Home of Animals. Author Namita Goel. Illustration Giddy Benha. Animals have many homes. Some live on land. Some live in water. Monkeys and birds live on trees. Bear and bats live in caves. Frog and turtle live in a pond. Fishes and octopus live in water. Deer and fox live in a forest. We live in a house. We all live on planet Earth. You also read along with me, my dear children? Yes. Now shall I ask some questions from this story related? Yes. Who is the character on the page number 3? Yes, fish. Where is the character on page number 3? Water. What are the fish doing on this page? Yes, swim. Who is the character on page number 4, my dear children? Monkeys and birds. Where is the character on page number 5? Yes, cave. Who are the characters on page number 10? Boy and animals. Very good, my dear children. Where are the characters on page number 10? If anybody say? Yes, planet Earth. Right? Great, my dear children. Now shall we do one worksheet activity from this related? Yes. Now we will open your workbook. Worksheet number 14. Question number 2. Page number 65. Yes. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. See that? Match word with pictures. First of all, we will read the word. Home, cave, earth, forest, tree. So we have to match the word with pictures. Home where it is having here. So you have to draw a line, word with picture. Next, cave. Where is that? Here. Draw a line, word with picture. Earth, where it is? Here. You have to do this. Next, forest. Here. Tree. Yes. See this, my dear children. This is very simple. Just you have to do this in your home. Correct neatly. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next, let us move to the grammar section. From this grammar section, today we will do one action words activity. Okay, now I will show the CRL. Okay, yes. Write the action words you see in the pictures. What they are doing, I will give 1 minute time. What they are doing, listening, see this. Yeah, writing, seeing, writing, reading, talking, they're all going, right? Seeing, writing, talking. Seeing, writing, standing, talking are going on, right? Yes. Now you will open your notebook, grammar section page. You will write that what pictures did you see that slide? Right? What are the action words? You have to write the answers now, okay? Reading, standing, seeing, talking, like that, right? I'll give 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you are all completed. If your mistake means no problem. Don't scribble the note, write neatly. Okay. Now I will show the next CRL. You listen carefully. I will give 30 seconds time. You see that? What the actions going on? Playing, laughing, seeing, reading, dancing, going on, right? Yeah, did you see that slide? What they are going? Eating, sliding, dancing, hanging, playing, reading, laughing, right? So this also you will write down your grammar section notebook, my dear children. Yes. Yeah, I hope you all complete that action words from your notebook. Show your mom and dad, correct the answers, okay? Now let us move to the writing and speaking expression. From this section, today's topic, think and draw, right? We have to draw and label our drawing, okay? Today in the reading class, we read the story on animals, right? We saw the different home of animals, right? Some lives in a forest, some lives in a caves, and we live in houses, right? So, today we will think and draw on the topic home of animals. Okay? After that we will give a label for our topic, right? See this, my dear children, this is the model. Frog in a pond, right? This is a sample image for this. Did you see that drawing? Frog in a pond, right? Yes. Now I want you all think and draw about all animals you know and where do they live, right? What house do they live in, right? Think and draw about 2 animals and their homes in your notebook, my dear children. Yes. So now I hope you have decided with what you are going to draw. Open your notebooks. You will write the topic and write your notebook, my dear children. If you are finished means label your drawings. Okay, you have learned many different words in your reading and phonics class, right? Now you have to label your drawings, okay, using any of those words. From your home you have to draw that, okay, my dear children? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. So from today's class, what we learned? Just let us revise today. In phonics section, we recap the same word families. We did one worksheet. After that, what is the meaning of odd one? Odd means different, right? After that, we did one worksheet. Then whole words, we learnt new whole words. What are that? Loves, saw, heard, yes and gave. After that, we saw some sentences from that related whole words. Then reading and listening comprehension, we did some worksheets. If you are not complete means you have to complete in your home. Then you will read that story. Then grammar section, we saw 2 slides, action words. Then you have to write that in your notebook. Now also you have to think and write your notebook for action words. Then writing and speaking expression skill, you have to think and draw home of animals too, okay, in your notebook. Today's homework, read the story Home of Animals on page number SR1, SR11, okay, story. Make a list different actions they do every day in school. Just you have to write down the action words, different actions from your home. என்னென்ன actions நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க அப்படிங்கிறது just you have to take the list or write down your notebook, my dear children, and some action words, okay? Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.